What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a while since we posted. We've just been really busy with the real estate side of the business we have on the side. But finally we're back to cars and bikes. We did buy a new bike, but that's not what the video is about. As you can see, we have an interior here, and this is going to be for the E46. It's the nice peanut butter cinnamon. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Color. Actually, as you can see, the seats are really trashed. Especially the bottom here. This is what happens when you have Taco Bell every day. But yeah, I mean, they're all pretty rough. All right, so we picked these up for a steal. It was what? 300?
400.
400 bucks. I mean, for everything, the front, the back seats are over there.
And then Harman and Cardin.
Yeah, and it's got the Harman and Cardin speakers on it too. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe so we can actually keep posting and make it a priority. Alright guys, so before we get started, we're going to go ahead and clean them first, so they can be nice and clean when we install them. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start moving everything, and we're just going to go ahead and time lapse the whole process.
Alright, so we're almost done cleaning. We're going to go ahead and start removing all the seats, starting with this one, then that one, and then move on to the back. And we'll go ahead and put it on time lapse again. Alright guys, so I removed that side, and then Mark was going to start cleaning it up, and then I'm going to start removing this side and then the back seat.
Alright guys, so the car is pretty much clean on the inside, nice and clean, not that clean. But we forgot to take off the 2 door panels, as you guys can see. So we just have those 2 left, and then we're gonna go ahead and finally start putting everything in. Okay, so the rear panels are out. Now time for the new ones to go in. We're gonna go ahead and just go with the back first, and then obviously move forward. Ignore the mess in the trunk. Alright, so he's bolting down the driver's seat. We didn't,
Show the rear.
This guy. But whatever, what I was saying is, we didn't record it because I had to help him get it in here. But here's how the back looks. It looks real nice. I wish you guys could see, but obviously the car has like 5% tint right there, so there's not enough light coming in. Let me see if I can mess with it somehow. There you go. But just, I mean, this looks so nice. Just how this one looks right here. Look at that. Minimal wear. I guess it doesn't match the carpet too well, but it's whatever. It looks good. Oh, and then the armrest. The other car didn't have an armrest, so we're gonna you're gonna have to just buy it online.
Yeah, we're painted.
Yeah, we're painted. Whatever.
All right, so the driver's side is in. There it is. Now let's just go ahead and get the passenger in, and we'll be done with the seats, and then we just have to install the door panels, and that'll be all. Alright guys, so everything's done. Door panels are in, the seats, both of them. I need to buy a black armrest so it can kind of match. This is what it's looking like, and then this is the rear, my laptop. Everything's matching. The rear, they're not door panels, but just the rear panels on the side. And yeah, and this is what it looks like, and honestly, it looks so nice. I mean, there's a rip right here on the seat, but this can be fixed, no problem. Other than that, I mean, little stains here and there, but nothing too bad. And honestly, they feel so nice, really sporty. And then now all I have to do is buy some black mats, put them in, because the other ones are very, very old. Maybe buy a new steering wheel, we'll see. It's pretty pricey. So yeah, so that's gonna be all for this video. I'm super in love with these seats, man. They feel really nice, really comfortable. This is something that ever since I bought the car, I've been meaning to get to and been wanting to get new seats. I was going to go for bucket seats, but to be honest, it's not really that comfortable. And not just that, when you put bucket seats in a BMW, kind of, unless they're Recaros, it doesn't really look that nice. So yeah, I went with OEM sporty seats. So that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I know in a previous video, some people were saying that I should get seats instead of the
the head unit, but hey, here they are, and they actually cost about, the guy said $250, but I bought the door panels and I bought a bunch of other little stuff, and it came out to like $400, which is still a steal. I mean, these seats alone, if you go on eBay or anywhere else, they're about $1,500, $1,000. That's what people are asking. So shout out to that guy. Other than that, I mean, yeah, I'm pretty happy, and don't forget to subscribe, give a like, leave a comment. I always reply to everybody, and you know, whether it's good or bad, go ahead and leave a comment, and we'll see you guys next time.